Welcome to another of AS Math Tutors series in Maths by the Sea. Today we're looking at paper 1, Pure Maths 1, October-November 2024, and we're looking at question 6, which is a question on circle geometry. What I suggest you do is pause the video at this point and look at these two questions here and attempt to do them. See how you get on. If you have any trouble, go to scene 2. Scene 2 is here. And what you need to know and put in your question answer is the formula for the center of a circle and the radius of a circle, which is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared. That's the general equation for this equation of a circle. And so you need to write it like that in order to get your center and your radius. Looking at the second circle here, we can rewrite that as x minus 9 squared plus y minus negative 4 squared equals 8 squared, because y minus negative 4 is y plus 4. And so it has a center of 9, negative 4 from here, and it has a radius of 8 from here. And that's represented by the red circle over here, center of 9 minus 4 and radius of 8. The second equation is a bit trickier, so we need to rearrange this to this format here. And we're going to start by taking the 18 and dropping it on the other side where it becomes minus 18. And I now need to write this in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. So what I'll do is onto the x squared plus 6x, I'm going to add 9. And I'm going to add 9 to the other side to make that balance. The y squared minus 10y plus is going to become y squared minus 10y plus 25, and I'm going to add 25 to the other side again to make it balance. X squared plus 6x plus 9 becomes x plus 3 squared. Y squared minus 10y plus 25 becomes y minus 5 squared equals 16. So according to our formula here, then this is an equation with center of 3, negative 3, 5, and radius of 4. Here's something else for your Q&A. The distance between 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2 is the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Make sure you put that in your Q&A. Make sure you learn that before your exam. Using that formula, we arrive here. Distance between negative 3, 5 and 9, negative 4, which are the centers of the circles, is equal to square root of x minus 3 minus 9 squared plus 5 minus negative 4 squared, and take the square root of the whole thing. This becomes negative 12 squared, because minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12, and 5 minus negative 4 is 9, and the square root of 12 squared plus 9 squared is 15, which is the right answer. Coming to part B, we're told that P and Q are points on C1 and C2 respectively. C1 is the first circle, which is the blue circle here, and C2 is the red circle. And so P any point on here, Q any point on here. The biggest distance between P and Q is going to be from W down to Z, so P would be up here and Q would be down here. The distance from W to Z is the distance between the centers from there to there, which is 15, plus the radius of the blue circle, which we worked out before, was 4, plus the radius of the red circle, which we worked out before, was 8. And so it's 15 plus 4 plus 8, which is 27. The shortest distance, xy, you can find by looking at the centers of the circles, distance between those, minus this radius of the blue circle, minus the radius of the red circle. So it's 15 minus 4 minus 8, which is 3, which is the correct answer. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and it's instructive for you. Good luck with your exams. Please try more of the same questions. Bye for now.